Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. That's the technology behind Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that uses cryptography for security and anti-counterfeiting measures. Public and private keys are often used to transfer cryptocurrency between individuals. It is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses cryptography to secure its transactions, to control the creation of additional units, and to verify the transfer of assets. Unlike centralized electronic money and central banking systems, the decentralized control of each cryptocurrency works through a blockchain, which is a public transaction database, functioning as a distributed digital ledger. Now we will see what the blockchain technology is. By design, the blockchain is a decentralized technology. A global network of computers uses blockchain technology to jointly manage the database that records Bitcoin transactions. That is, Bitcoin is managed by its network, and not any one central authority. All information transferred via blockchain is encrypted and every occurrence recorded, so that it cannot be altered. The digital ledger is stored on every computer, node, that partakes in the network. To partake in the network, you could just install the core or a Bitcoin wallet. Every node is redundantly storing and verifying that everyone is following the Bitcoin protocol's rules. Since every node has a copy of digital ledger, there is no central point of failure. It's very difficult to destroy it. Now we are going to see how each block is created in blockchain. A blockchain is a continuously growing list of records, called blocks, which are linked and secured using cryptography. Each block typically contains a hash pointer as a link to a previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. A blockchain is typically managed by a peer-to-peer network collectively adhering to a protocol for validating new blocks. Once recorded, the data in any given block cannot be altered retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks, which requires collusion of the network majority. Blockchains are secure by design and are an example of a distributed computing system with high Byzantine fault tolerance. It solves the double spending problem without the need of a trusted authority or central server. The block time is the average time it takes for the network to generate one extra block in the blockchain. Some blockchains create a new block as frequently as every 5 seconds. By the time of block completion, the included data becomes verifiable. This is practically when the money transaction takes place, so a shorter block time means faster transactions. Next important thing is mining. In cryptocurrency networks, mining is a validation of transactions. For this effort, successful miners obtain new cryptocurrency as a reward. The reward decreases transaction fees by creating a complementary incentive to contribute to the processing power of the network. What these miners do? The miners share their hash power, or you could say run an algorithm to confirm/verify transactions that happen on Bitcoin network. For verifying any transaction, they get a fixed reward, i.e. Bitcoins. This is how new Bitcoins are generated. Given the economic and environmental concerns associated with mining, various minerless cryptocurrencies are undergoing active development. Unlike conventional blockchains, some directed acyclic graph cryptocurrencies utilize a pay-it-forward system, whereby each account performs minimally heavy computations on 2 previous transactions to verify. Others utilize a block lattice structure whereby each individual account has its own blockchain. With each account controlling its own transactions, no traditional proof-of-work mining is required, allowing for free, instantaneous transactions. Finally, we need to know about the wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet stores the public and private keys or addresses which can be used to receive or spend the cryptocurrency. With the private key, it is possible to write in the public ledger, effectively spending the associated cryptocurrency. With the public key, it is possible for others to send currency to the wallet. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Links are given in the description below.